we're gonna turn this thing into a dirt bike jump. So that about does it for me in the Land Rover. Alright, so traded a piece of scrap for a piece of junk. Got this 55 Land Rover. They're pretty valuable trucks. I had a 67 a few months ago that did pretty well. Alright, so we got the Johnny hooked up to the Land Rover because we're going to turn this thing into a dirt bike jump. We're going to drag it into the middle of the bush somewhere, make it look like it's been sitting there for 100 years, and do a little hit off the back into a tranny.
Looks good.
And I think that dirt bike jump should work just man if I land right in here, right? That would be awesome. Could even go a little more. Alrighty, so that about does it for me in the Land Rover. I put this thing on Kijiji, and it didn't even last one day before a guy called me, gave me a deposit. He's just pulling in right now, drove 8 hours to get here. Oh, there he is in his Escalade, right on. So we're gonna load this thing up on his trailer, and hopefully he's happy with it. I mean, he saw one picture of it and called and sent the money, so we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much.
There's gonna be some stuff hanging down at the front. Is it catching on anything? How do we want to set that? Should I pull ahead? Yeah, don't mind my headpiece. I got a YouTube channel, so people like to see what I pick up. Well, that went pretty good, eh?
Yeah. Went as good as I was hoping it was.
Yeah. So you pretty happy with it? Is that what you're expecting or what? Oh, yeah. Good, good. You know, I couldn't believe the fucking response I got on this thing.
I got a 66 series.
Nice.
2A, so.
Pickup?
Yeah,
nice.
no, it's an SUV.
Okay.
88, short one.
I had a 67. I don't know if I mentioned it. It was one of 4 Canadian exporters, orange. Nice truck. I wish I kept it, but you can't keep them all.
Yeah.
Right. That's why I came across this. I was like, this is a cheaper version than what I had, so I'll leave it around. And but whatever. I'll replace it with something like it was. I kind of turned it into a dirt bike jump. Just like put a ramp in the box and jumped off the side. Didn't wreck nothing, right?
Yeah.
So at least that'll replace that.
Look at the tow truck, Todd. What's that? Yeah, I know.
Old CMP. If you know anyone with a door, I need one. Brian, my buddy, is stuck out back in his Audi A4, so we'll go for a rip on the track in this and check out where he's stuck. I think we're gonna try and pull him out. She's frosty. You want me to run your Honda or what?
Yeah. Get this thing started.
Yeah. Did you notice if the tranny was better? Oopsie. It's not the first time I did this, actually, in the same spot.
That's pretty good.
It's bound to happen. Should be all right. The steering's locked. I think it's in neutral. Might as well just leave the steering locked because that's a nooch. Should just pull straight out. I'll get you to hop in if I need a hand. No, not yet. I'll get it a little more accessible for you. Yeah, try crank the wheels. Nice, man. I just picked up a very cool tire combination for this thing. So we got some 31 by 15 8-bolt, pretty much farm tractor tires on some custom made rims.